Hello students, so this question that we'll be doing today is continuation of our earlier question. So here it has been given that a golf club has m members with serial numbers 1, 2 up till m. Now if the members with serial numbers I and j are friends, then a of ij is equal to a of ji equal to 1. Otherwise a of ij is equal to a of ji and then both of them will be equal to 0. Now by convention a of ii is considered to be 0, that is a person cannot be considered a friend or himself or herself. Let a to the power k of ij refer to the ij entry into kth power of the matrix A. Now suppose it is given that a to the power 9 ij is greater than 0 for all pairs ij where I is less than equal to I comma j and that is less than equal to m. Now if a square 1 comma 2 is greater than 0 and a to the power 4 1 comma 3 is equal to 0, then which of the following are necessary to give regions? So these are the questions. So now it has been given. Now there can be two conditions. Now we are considered with this part. Now it has been given. Now if I has a friend, so in that case a square I comma I is therefore definitely greater than 0. Okay, now comes the case that if I does not have a friend, so if I does not have a friend, so in that case it means that a of I comma j is equal to 0. Okay, a of I comma j is equal to 0. And that will definitely also mean that a to the power m I comma j is also equal to 0, and this is true for all m and all j. But we have been given that a to the power 9 I comma j is greater than 0 for all pairs of I comma j. So therefore it is not possible that I does not have a friend. Okay, it is not possible that I does not have a friend. So therefore I has a friend and a square I comma I is greater than 0. So option 8, this statement 18 is true. Let's go on to the next question. Now in this statement we have to find whether m is less than equal to 9. Now let us consider we have already found out that if I has a friend and a square ii is greater than 0 is equal to 0 and greater than 0, and if I does not have a friend, does not have even a single friend, in that case a to the power mij is equal to 0. But we have already been given that a to the power 9 ij is greater than 0. So that means that I definitely has at least one friend. Okay, has at least one friend. So therefore it does not depend whether so there we cannot basically put any we cannot put any limit on m. M can be, if we take m equal to 100 also, in that case also I will have friends. Will have friends. We can say he can have, in the extreme case is also possible that he has all his friends, his or her friends. Okay, so we cannot put any restriction on m. So therefore this statement is false. Let's move on to the next question. Now we have to find out whether m is greater than equal to 6. So now it has been given that a to the power 4 1 comma 3 is equal to 0. So this basically implies that if we establish any connection between members 1 and 3, so the length of that chain will be if members 1 and member 3, let us say member 3 are linked. So the length of that link will be length of that link will be equal to 5. Okay, if if a to the power 4 1 comma 3 is equal to 0, then we'll have length equal to 5. Okay, so that, but if any other, but if that is, this is not existent, this condition is not satisfied, then in that case we'll have, if not satisfied, then we basically have a to the power 4 1 comma 3 will be positive, greater than 0. So therefore we can say that if that there is a link between 1 comma 3, that length of the link is basically equal to 5. So basically we can say that M must be at least, or we can say must be at least 6. So therefore M must be greater than equal to 6. So this implies that the statement over here is true. So this is how you solve this question number 20 from the MSc Data Science CMI question paper for the year 2018. If you have any doubts regarding the process that I have followed over here, then you can comment in the comment section below, and we'll try to get back to you and help you out. Thank you very much.